Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to show you their colors because I can see that they are stressed right now since I think papunta na tayo sa summer. So just enjoy the video. So Hakuhu, as you can see, look at that color. Ayan siya. So ang bilis niya mag-baby guys. Yan, new babies. And yan, dami oh. Propagation ng blue cloud. And itong ating Sibyl Baker, oh, may pa-pink na din. I don't know if kuha sa camera kasi medyo hindi kagandahan camera natin guys. Ayan, stress color. Then let's go to Claret. Si Claret na payat. Ayan. And look at this firestorm guys. Beautiful colors. And si Ellen natin ng loose pad. Kusog naman gudang init guys. They receive sun up to 4 p.m. Kaya ayan, very stressed. Purple Delight. Yung justice ng colors nila guys. Super bomb. And our leggy. Ito guys, oh, si Agavoid, si Black Rose. Mukhang gusto niya rain or shine. Siguro magdidilig ako today. Ayan, Purple Delight. And see California Sunset showing also stress colors. Ganda-ganda. Ganda ni California. California. Then Fred Ives. Dusty Rose. What else ba? Look at this very big Purple Delight. And look at our Darly Sunshine. Look at that color. So pretty. Supreme. Mamemeng-meng na din. Supreme. Ito lang problema ko kay ano guys. Skills na naman. Nakalimutan ko magdala ng furadan. So nagbalik na lang. Yeah. So natira ko sa cheesecake. Ayan, niligan ko from cuttings. And Mendoza from cuttings also. Mga na-save ko guys. And propagation natin. Oh, this spot is so stressed. Mendoza. Ayan. And our Marpin. Tago na ito kay init na kayo. Tago siya na ito gamay ito guys. So ayan, mag-rearrange ako dito. I-transfer ko ang mga cacti dito. Kasi summer na gusto nilang init.